Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we've got something special in store for you, the Samsung T5 Evo Portable SSD. Now, this little powerhouse promises to revolutionize your storage game with its massive 8 TB capacity. But is it worth the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk design. The Samsung T5 Evo boasts a sleek and solid build, perfect for those on-the-go moments. With its rubberized outer shell and clip-friendly metal top, it exudes durability and reliability. However, it's worth noting that it's a tad heavier and chunkier compared to some other portable SSDs on the market. Now, size matters, right? The T5 Evo may not be as compact as some of its competitors, but it packs a punch when it comes to storage capacity. At 8 TB, it's a beast, surpassing even the roomiest portable hard drives out there. So, if you're someone who needs tons of storage space on the go, this could be the perfect solution for you. Let's talk accessories. Samsung ships the T5 Evo with a long USB-C to USB-C cable, making it convenient to connect to your devices. However, it's a bit surprising that they didn't include a USB-A cable or adapter in the box. Nonetheless, you can easily pick one up online for a few bucks. Now, onto the juicy stuff, performance. The T5 Evo boasts read and write speeds of 460 megabytes per second, which may not be blazing fast compared to some other SSDs on the market. However, it's still a significant upgrade over traditional portable hard drives, offering smoother data transfers and faster access times. Here comes the million-dollar question. Is it worth the price tag? Well, that's where things get a bit tricky. With an MSRP of $649.99 for the 8 TB model, the T5 Evo certainly doesn't come cheap. It's priced higher than some faster SSDs in Samsung's lineup. So, unless you need that massive storage capacity, you might want to consider other options. In conclusion, the Samsung T5 Evo Portable SSD offers impressive storage capacity in a durable and travel-friendly package. While it may not be the fastest kid on the block, it still outperforms traditional hard drives and provides a significant upgrade in terms of speed and reliability. However, its steep price tag might deter some potential buyers. So, if you're in the market for a spacious and reliable portable storage solution, the T5 Evo could be worth considering. Just be prepared to pay a premium for that extra storage space. And that wraps up our review of the Samsung T5 Evo Portable SSD. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off. Happy storing, folks!